What about the worst piece of advice you've ever received apropos running a listed company?
I'd say one of the worst pieces of advice was to ignore the retail investor.
Okay.
Maybe it's something that worked 20 years ago,
Yeah.
but definitely not in this day and age.
Why do you, I agree. I think I've been hearing that less and less over the last 5 years because it has become harder, I think, for the more traditional part of the market to ignore. But why do you think that advice comes up? Where does it come from?
Well, it could be that you could spend a lot of time servicing the retail, which is very true.
Yeah.
As much as others. Retail are deemed to not be there for when a company, especially a development company, is looking for funding, and that is very true. However, retail does play a big role for liquidity of illiquid stocks, where you have a few, like a handful of strategic long-term investors who do not trade at all. So you're really relying on the retail to trade the stock and to hopefully react in a positive way on news flow.